We're in St. Helen. Here we go. These are our bags that we put in the back of our boxes on our quads. So basically, when we load up to go out for the day, we load the bag insert in the house or cottage or wherever we are, set it right in the box, has everything you need. And on the end, she has a nice cooler that'll go there. She has everything she needs there. As you can see, I have one too. So we're ready for the day. All right, getting ready to head over to southwest of Houghton Lake. Leaving from St. Helen. Here we go, Quad Squad, mid-June 2022. If you look on the map, if you can see it, we're heading south towards Houghton Lake out of St. Helen. I believe this is a designated 50-inch or less trail. You notice they're a little wider here too. Here in Leota's, two places I noticed that. Places like Frederick, Kalkaska, Indian River, even Wolverine, Vanderbilt, Black Lake, the trails are a lot tighter. You don't just get this kind of running room in them. Here you could really run if you wanted to. We're still breaking the machines in, so yep, it is a 50-inch or less. Logging that way, huh? Where do we want to go? Who did it? See the sign, 50-inch or less. Pretty cool trails here in St. Helen though. Cool atmosphere, nice group of people. Very, very off-road friendly town. Duck for some branches here or there. Loop it over, now we should go straight south. Trail. It's a nice cool morning. We're in June of 2022. About 70 degrees and sunny. Rain's supposed to be coming this afternoon. Only about a 40% chance, but I'm sure we're not going to keep this sun much longer. Some puddles from the rain yesterday. Digging this trail though, pretty good. Let me see where to go from here. I'll hit the pause button for just a second. So there we are. We're getting ready to go under I-27 or I-75 out of St. Helen. That's the freeway there. Kind of the trail runs right along the road underneath it. We're going to see what kind of trails are on the south, just on the other side of I-75 from St. Helen, so just to the west and just southeast of Houghton Lake. Check these trails out. There's the freeways. So we got a trailhead here. We got a parking lot. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. I-75 is just on the street. So we're just to the west of it. Here's a parking lot. There's the trails. You can see, you go down that way, you got a trail. It's an ORV route, so everything can go. And here we go. This parking lot's nice. You got to use the bathroom. Looks like there's a portable outhouse. And you got your little bulletin board, typical stuff. Pretty cool. We're in the 50-inch or less, kind of southeast of Houghton Lake, in between Houghton Lake to the west of I-75 and to the west of St. Helen. So really in between Houghton Lake and St. Helen. of baby trees. Probably was logged in the last 10 years. So far these trails have been interesting because the trails are not looked out and they seem to be groomed, but there's branches hanging over them all over the place. Take a look at my map, see where we are. Riding in St. Helen. We're here in St. Helen, getting ready to have dinner. Been quad riding half the day, hanging out. We're at the Firehouse Bar.